The Mughal Empire, beginning with exercise E. Short answer type questions. Describe the conflict between Humayun and Sher Shah. Answer E1. The rivalry between Humayun and Sher Shah started in AD 1532. Humayun defeated Sher Shah's army and captured the fort of Chunar. Till here you'll do, and then you'll leave one sentence, then you'll come here. While Humayun was occupied with Gujarat, Sher Shah regrouped his forces and defeated Humayun at Chausa in AD 1539. Now here AD is written in small, you will write A capital, D capital. A year later, Sher Shah again defeated Humayun in the Battle of Kannauj in AD 1540. Paragraph change. Humayun escaped to Persia, where Sher Shah of Persia gave him refuge. In AD 1555, Humayun returned to India and regained the territories which he had lost. That's it, E1. E2. What was the result of the Deccan campaign of Akbar? Answer E2. Akbar sent his officials to persuade the rulers of Ahmednagar, Bijapur and Golconda to accept him as their ruler, but they refused. Akbar then waged a war against Chand Bibi, the queen of Ahmednagar. She gave in after a brave resistance, and parts of Ahmednagar were annexed in AD 1596. Berar was annexed in AD 1601. Khandesh was also annexed to the empire. That's it till here. Question E3. What was the policy of Sulh-e-Kul followed by Akbar? Answer E3 will begin from here. Akbar founded the idea of Sulh-e-Kul or universal peace. This was not a religion but a system of ethics which emphasized on values such as honesty, peace, justice. These values were universally applicable. This idea of tolerance and harmony extended to people of all religions. Abul Fazl helped frame a system of governance around this principle of Sulh-e-Kul. This policy of broad tolerance was followed by Jahangir and Shah Jahan, but disregarded by Aurangzeb. This is the answer. Question E4. Describe briefly Todermal's Bandobast. Answer E4. You will begin from here. Raja Todermal, Akbar's revenue minister, introduced a land revenue system called Todermal's Bandobast. Under this system, land was measured and divided into three categories: good, middle, and bad. Land revenue was fixed according to the fertility of the land. The revenue was fixed at 1/3 of the produce. It could be paid either in cash or in kind. Then you will change the paragraph. The revenue from trade was much less compared to land. Trade was carried on with China, Central Asia, and Europe. The main items for export were textiles, spices, indigo, and salt, pepper. It should be pepper. Then change the paragraph. Todermal carried out a survey of crop yields, prices, and areas cultivated for a 10-year period. That's it. E4. Question E5. What does the Akbarnama contain? Answer E5. Abul Fazl a close friend and chief courtier of Akbar, wrote a 3-volume history of Akbar's reign named Akbarnama. The first volume gave details of Akbar's ancestors. The second volume described chief events of Akbar's reign. The third volume, the Ain-e-Akbari, deals with Akbar's administration, army, household, revenues, and the geography of his empire. It also describes customs, traditions, and culture of the people. Ain-e-Akbari gives rich statistical details about crops, yields, prices, revenues, and wages. That's it.